Hey, hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can create your Google Tag Manager account and connect it with your WordPress website. So I am here on Google's Tag Manager website. You can visit this by typing tagmanager.google.com and you'll land on this page. So before creating account, make sure to select your correct Gmail ID and then you have to click on create account. I will create a new account for my this setup. So bear me throughout the video and I will show you how you can do this exactly step by step. So you have to enter a company name. Let me just select the default one here. Let's select your country, which is Pakistan here. And then you have to enter your website name. Make sure to follow in this format. Then if your website, you have to select web here. And then click on create. You have to accept the terms and conditions here. And then click on yes. And your tag manager account will created. So I'm using this website for this setup. So let's copy the URL and check that whether we have a tag manager account here or not. You can put the URL here and click on test. It will tell you whether we have any tag manager account or not. So your Google tag wasn't detected on our website. This means we do not have any tag on our website, and we will install it step by step. So you have to go to the plugins page and click on add new plugin. And in here, you have to search for GTM for WP. Okay, you have to select this extra plugin here. So you have to install this plugin. Click on install now and it will get installed. Let's wait for it. Once it's installed, you have to click on activate. And it will get activated. Okay, here our plugin is activated and you have to click on settings. Okay, in here you have to copy your GTM ID from your Google Tag Manager account and then paste it here. Okay, you have to click on save changes. Okay, here you have to make sure that once you click on save changes, this becomes off. So make sure to click on at the first one and let the second one off. So click on save changes then again, and if you have any cache management token here, so you have to purge out the cache as well. Okay, when it's purged, we'll go again to Google Tag Manager account and see whether the tag is installed or not, working or not. Click on test. And here our tag is successfully installed. So that's it guys. Next videos I will make videos on how we can track leads, add to carts, purchases, enhanced e-commerce, enhanced conversions, TikTok pixel, Facebook events, TikTok events, and I will show you everything in tracking field. So make sure to subscribe, and if you have any question, please ask in comments. And if you need any help with your web analytics and conversion tracking, make sure to book a call with me. The link is in description. Thank you and nice day.